All right. Hello. We are back and we are on day number 13. Hey, Sean.
Hey, how you doing tonight?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing well. It's Tuesday's over, so that's always a good thing.
Yeah.
So means we're almost halfway through the week, so that's always a good thing. And we get to open fabric, so what's
Yeah.
wrong with that?
That's the highlight of my day.
So since I went first yesterday, we'll let you go first.
Mistakes are proof that you are trying.
There you go. Now that's advice we can all use.
Exactly. We can all use that in the quilting world
Yep.
and in life too, right?
Very much so. But yeah, especially in the quilting world, because it means you don't have to use my little friend Jack quite as much. So we'll put it back to bed where he belongs.
I have a jack too. All right. So let's see what's in here.
Yesterday you got Tula, so let's see if you strike gold twice.
I have flamingos, I think. I think that's what they are. I don't know.
Yeah,
I don't know.
they could be like an egret or something else like that. I'm not 100% sure.
Although the backing is like the back of the fabric is like a kind of sort of a pink, but it's not like a real pink. It's between cream color and peach and pink. And then the birds are like a gold color. I'm looking for the salvage. No, nothing on the salvage.
Yeah,
So they make me think of flamingos to begin with.
I'm not sure. I'll have to look up what a flamingo looks like, because it could be a flamingo, it could be like an egret or one of those water birds as well. It's just, yeah, I'm not 100% sure. We'll figure it out though, I'm sure.
Yeah. We'll figure it out. So that one's pretty neat.
Yeah.
All right. Guess what? Your turn. What did you get?
Okay, so before we do that, let's go. Like, Martha asked a question yesterday, which I thought was really fun, and now I want to ask one for myself. And
Hey.
like I said, we're getting closer to Christmas, and in our house we have an artificial tree, and that's what I grew up with. But I'd like to know if you guys use an artificial tree or a real tree.
Oh, that's a good one.
I keep driving past a real tree light, and I mean, I've never had the desire to have a real tree. The artificial ones look beautiful to me, but I know a lot of people like the real. So yeah, I'd love to know what you guys think about that. But let's go ahead and see what's behind door number 13. Any guesses on the color?
I'm going to guess red.
Okay, red sounds good. Let's try yellow.
Okay. Ooh.
Now this is nice. I like this one.
I like that one a lot.
Yeah. I'll pull it up just a little closer so you can get an idea of what it looks like. So yeah, this is very yeah, it's great. I mean, I don't know how to explain it besides it's green flowers, but I really, really like this one a lot. I think it's going to pop in whatever I decide to do with it.
I think so too. I like that one. I like that one a lot.
Yeah, and I think your whatever water bird that is looks really neat too.
Yeah. I just don't know if it's an actual flamingo because I think because of the tail feathers. The tail feathers look different. But then I could be wrong. Or maybe it's because the most flamingos you see, they have the 1 foot up and the 1 foot down. These are both, their feet both are, and then they're not pink.
Yeah. So, we'll try and figure it out. If someone knows, if we have any bird experts in the chat, definitely let us know.
Yeah. So, in answer to your question earlier, first, what do you have? Do you have an artificial or a real tree?
I have an artificial tree, and that's what I grew up with. Back home in Australia, real trees weren't really used much at all. Maybe by some immigrants from the US. That's pretty much it. Yeah, we all used artificial trees.
Oh, wow. So when I grew up, oh, go ahead.
Plus, it's the middle of summer, trying to keep a tree watered and hydrated. Yeah, not such a great idea.
I never thought about that, that part of it. But growing up, my parents would always get I remember when I was a lot younger, we would always have a real tree. And I remember my mom and dad having to make sure that it was watered every single day. And I'm 50 this year. I'll go ahead and tell you my age. I don't care. But we had the big bulbs that were, I can't even say how, I don't even know what size they were, but we'd put them on the tree for the lights and they would get hot. I remember touching it one time because my mom said, "Don't touch the light bulbs." I'm like, okay, touch. And they were hot. So I knew that at that point I understood why my parents always had to make sure that the tree was watered. And then as I got older, we went over to an artificial tree. And now we do an artificial tree. It's just easier. And they're pretty thick most of the time.
Yep.
Makes life a lot easier. So let
Sure.
us know what you use. We'd love to hear what kind of trees you have. And, if you have an artificial one, do you get the ones that are pre-lit, or do you like to put the lights on yourself?
Sounds good.
That's it for tonight. Can you believe it?
I know, another day down, and
know.
tomorrow back for day 14.
Yeah, day 14. All right. Well, I hope you all have a wonderful evening. Have a wonderful night. Or if you're catching us on the replay in the morning, I hope you have a great day. And we look forward to seeing you again soon.
All right, y'all have a good night. Good day.
You too. You too.
Bye.
Good night. Bye.